Welcome to this tutorial on how to stick a navigation bar to the bottom while scrolling in Figma using fixed positioning. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Figma website. Once the Figma homepage loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its user interface. After arriving at the Figma website, locate the login option that is positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this option will allow you to access your account and the projects you have stored on Figma. When the login dialog appears, proceed to click on the option labeled Continue with Google, as this streamlines the authentication process if you use a Google account. Once you have clicked on Continue with Google, a new window will appear prompting you to select which Google account you wish to use for signing in. Choose your preferred account to proceed. Allow any necessary permissions to ensure that Figma can properly synchronize your project data with your account details. This step helps maintain a secure and personalized workflow that is essential for project management. After signing in, your next task is to navigate to your project. If you already have a project where you wish to work on the navbar, find and open that specific project from your list of recent designs. If you are starting fresh, ensure you have a project open where you can experiment with the fixed positioning settings. Once your project is open, take a moment to locate the element in your design that you intend to keep fixed at the bottom of your screen. This element is typically a navigation bar or a similar interface component. Click on the desired element to highlight it. This ensures that any changes you apply will affect the correct object within your design. With the element selected, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you will find multiple tabs. Switch over to the Prototype tab, which facilitates interactive design and allows you to apply different behaviors such as fixed positioning or scrolling. In this tab, explore the available options until you see an area indicating position. This area is critical since it controls how elements behave when the design is interacted with during a presentation or testing phase. Within the position settings panel, locate and select the option labeled fixed. Choosing fixed as the position means that regardless of how the rest of the page scrolls, your chosen element will remain in its original intentional placement. In this context, this fixed element will maintain its location at the bottom of the screen, giving your design a consistent and professional appearance. This technique is particularly useful when designing navigational elements that must remain visible at all times, thereby ensuring ease of access and a better user experience. By following these steps, you have successfully learned how to stick a navigation bar to the bottom with fixed positioning in Figma. Enjoy refining your design further with this new tool in your creative arsenal.